Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll talk about APIs. Especially we see what API stands for, what is application programming interface means word by word, why we need API or application programming interface, that means what is the use of application programming interface, and also we see the types of APIs. So in this video you will expect to understand those topics one by one. We will start from what is API stands for. We will start from this. Okay, API. This API stands for Application Programming Interface. And when we say APIs, in short form, we talk about the application programming interfaces. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, now we will see what is application programming interface means. For more understanding of this concept, we will see each of them word by word. That means what is application means, what is programming means, and we will see what is interface means, each and every word. After that, you will understand the full concept of what is application programming interface means in general. Okay, now let us start with what is application. We will start from the first word, what is application mean. I believe that you will use different applications in day-to-day activities like mobile applications, computer application, website application, and many more applications. So in this concept, we will say application, we say those applications, mobile applications or computer applications. For that, applications are a computer application or maybe a website application or maybe a computer program are called applications. Okay, now after you understand what are applications means, what are those applications, we can move to the next word, which is programming. So what is programming means? When we say programming is an instruction to complete a certain task. If someone wants to write a program, that means he wants to instruct a computer to complete some tasks. So programming means an instruction to execute a certain task. And the next word is which is interface. So when we see the word interface or when we say interface is a point where two systems meet and interact each other. That means interface is a point to programs or applications interact with each other. That is called interface. Okay, now we will see all of those three words one by one. I think you get some understandings about what is application means, what is programming, and what is interface one by one each word. Now I will generalize this definition. API or application programming interface is a method or a way for two computer applications to speak to each other. That is called API or application programming interface. So the answer for why we need API or application programming interface is to communicate or to speak to computer applications and to share any data from one computer to another, or to share a data each other. For those tasks we need to use this API or application programming interface. Okay, after we define what is API and why we need API or application programming interface, the next point is I will give an example which uses API. Those examples help you to understand more about what is application programming interface as a concept level. Okay, I believe that you have an email address. You will receive an email, and inside the body of the email you will get a link address, and when you click that link it opens another web page. So in that case there is API or application programming interface which tells your device to open web browser and go to that website address, and this task performs with APIs or application programming interface. Okay, after we see the examples of APIs, next we will see the types of APIs. There are two main categories of application programming interface. The first one is a closed API and the next is open API. When we come to this closed API, those are very technological specific. For example, when you open one mobile application, it may open another application. Those types of APIs are closed APIs, and closed APIs are not adopted APIs. Instead, open APIs are broadly adopted APIs. So our main focus of this tutorial or this video is about open APIs. In the next video we will see most popular open APIs, which is RESTful API. Okay, this is all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.